New tonight at 6, people in Spring Valley will have to travel about half an hour for healthcare services after St. Margaret's Health closes its doors on Friday. Its Peru location also closing. News 8's Jenna Webster explains how a cyber attack played a part in that decision to close.
A steady stream of cars driving in and out of St. Margaret's Health in Spring Valley gives no indication of its impending closure, but there are other signs that do. One healthcare employee driving past pointing out the empty signs, ones that used to point toward the main and emergency entrances, saying it's crazy, they don't want anyone coming in. Last month, SMH released a statement on Facebook.
Due to a number of factors, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the cyber attack on the computer system of St. Margaret's Health, and a shortage of staff, it has become impossible to sustain our ministry.
A hospital executive elaborating on this in an email to News 8, saying during the pandemic, it spent more than $16 million of unbudgeted money to provide safe staffing. Quote, including hospitalists 24 hours a day. We needed additional clinicians and were dependent on temporary staff agencies. We continued to rely on temp staffing until this week. A 4-month-long 2021 cyber attack also having a big impact. According to Linda Burt, the hospital relying on paper medical records, and in some services, it took almost a year to get back online to enter charges or send out claims. Quote, many of the insurance plans have timely filing clauses, which if not done, they will not pay. So no claims were being sent out and no payment was coming in.
And to think in 2 short days this will be gone is horrific.
Mayor Melanie Malooly Thompson worries about the impact to the region.
We're going to have approximately 42,000 people without a hospital. The devastation, loss of jobs, the loss of having a hospital for all of the people in town is a tragedy.
With her mother on hospice, Malooly Thompson's one of the 42,000 already feeling the impact.
They're taking it now, as we speak. Her hospital bed, her breathing machine, everything that she uses from hospice is moments from now will be gone.
Leaving her worried about what the future of healthcare looks like in her rural community. In Spring Valley, Jenna Webster, WQAD News 8.
OSF Healthcare is in the process of acquiring the St. Margaret's facilities in Peru, but it's unclear if it will also acquire Spring Valley. There's also no timeline for when it will be able to reopen that Peru campus.